Welcome friends on my YouTube channel Prem Sir Ignu Wale. Friends, today we will learn previous year question of June 2023 of Environmental Study BEVAE 181, which is a compulsory subject of many honors and general courses. So let's start. First question is, who was the chairperson of the committee submitted the report titled Our Common Future? It is Gro Harlem Brundtland. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not human-made environment? The correct answer is answer number 1, orchards. Question number 3. United Nations Conference on Environment and Development UNCED in 1992 was organized at Rio de Janeiro. Question number 4. Which one of the following statement related to ecosystem is correct? The correct answer is answer number 4. Ecosystem represent enormous contracts in size and complexity. Move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, in food chain, herbivorous represent. It represent trophic level 2. There are 5 type of trophic level. Trophic level 1 represent green plants. Trophic level 2 represent herbivorous. Trophic level 3 represent carnivorous. Trophic level 4 represent carnivorous, and trophic level 5 represent top carnivorous. Question number 6. The large reservoir of sulfur on the earth's surface is, it is soil and sediments. Question number 7. Which one of the following is known as primary community? Lichen is known as primary community. Question number 8. The predominant predatory word in desert system is, it is Gyps bengalensis. Question number 9. The unattached organism in an aquatic ecosystem which lives at the interface of air water is known as neuston. Question number 10. In ocean dash zone is shallow and rich in species with high productivity. It is neritic. Question number 11. Which one of the following forests has the most diverse communities? Correct answer is tropical rainforest. Question number 12. Loss of water in vapor form from the plant is known as transpiration. Question number 13. Which one of the following is an economic impact of drug? It is loss of crop. Move to the next question. Question number 14. The type of soil found in Deccan Malwa Plateau of Western and Central Asia is, it is black soil. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not a major cause of land degradation? The correct answer is development of watershed. Question number 16. Which one of the following statements about the tropical rainforest is not correct? The correct answer is answer number 4. The rainforests are only found around Amazon and Nile basin. This statement is not correct. Question number 17. It has been estimated that India needs dash percentage under area forest to meet the ecological and economic needs. The correct answer is 33%. Question number 18. NTFP stands for non-timber based forest product. Question number 19. Which one of the following diversity is known as fundamental current of diversity? It is genetic diversity. Move to the next question. Question number 20. Which one of the following biogeographic zone covers the largest area in India? The Deccan Peninsula. Question number 21. About 2/3 of the India endemic plants are confined to Western Ghats. Question number 22. Which one of the following is not true about India as a mega biodiversity country? The correct answer is answer number 3. India has 6 hotspots out of 34 global biodiversity hotspots. The statement is not correct. India has only 4 hotspots. Question number 23. In India, the first wave and tidal energy project was set up at Vizhinjam in Kerala. Question number 24. Which one of the following sources contributes maximum electricity in India? Coal. Question number 25. Which one of the following sources of energy is used maximum in rural India? Biomass. Move to the next question. Question number 26 is maximum population that can be supported by the resources of the planet at a given level of technology is known as biophysical carrying capacity. Question number 27. Which one of the following is an example of selective destruction of species? Passenger pigeon. Question number 28. Which one of the following is an invasive species in the semi-arid area of India? The correct answer is mesquite. Question number 29. Which one of the following is not a ex situ conservation of biodiversity? The correct answer is national park and sanctuaries. Question number 30. Match the following. The correct answer is answer number 3. Sundarban related to West Bengal, Harike related to Punjab, Chilka related to Odisha, and Bharatpur related to Rajasthan. Question number 31. Which one of the following is a non-point source of pollution? It is agriculture runoff. Question number 32. Which one of the following is not a natural pollutant? Smoke is the correct answer. Question number 33. The full form of TDS stands for total dissolved solids. Question number 34. Decibel A measures pitch and pressure of the sound. Question number 35. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of hazardous waste? It is pungent odor. Question number 36. Which one of the following is a physical treatment of hazardous waste? The correct answer is lagoning. Move to the next question. Question number 37 is which one of the following methods is generally used when many industry and urban areas do not have enough vacant space for disposal of water? It is incineration. Question number 38. The Intergovernment Panel on Climate Change was established in the year 1988. Question number 39. Maximum concentration of ozone found in stratosphere. Question number 40. Which one of the following is not an effect of acid rain? The correct answer is answer number 1. Increase in temperature of Earth's surface. Question number 41. Earth Summit 2002 was organized at Johannesburg. Question number 42. In which of the following cities one of the zonal branches of National Green Tribunals located? It is located at New Delhi. To the next question. Question number 43 is which one of the following articles in the Constitution of India state that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment of and safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country? Correct answer is answer number 1. Article 51A. Question number 44. The major factor responsible for the increase in population between 10,000 BC and about 1800 AD was largely due to increased birth rates coincide with the growth of agriculture. Question number 45. Which one of the following diseases cannot be regarded entirely as genetic? It is schizophrenia. Question number 46. Match the following. The correct answer is answer number 3. Atmospheric related to heat wave, biological represented to pest invasion, geological represent to landslide, and hydrological represent to floods. Question number 47. Silent Valley is located along the river Kunthi River. Question number 48. Which one of the following is not a factor for creation of new sets of environmental ethics? The correct answer is Answer number 2. Advancements in science and technology. Question number 49. Who wrote the essay on the land ethics? Aldo Leopold. Question number 50. Which one of the following statements is false? Correct answer is answer number 3. Environmental engineering does not include subjects like civil engineering and architecture. The statement is not true. Friends, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel Prem Sir Ignu Wale. Thank you.